Hi guys, I'm Vanya from VJ Cooks and I'm working with Countdown today to bring you some delicious Christmas recipes. We've got two recipes today. We're going to do a sweet and a savoury pastry wreath. Every year I love having my girlfriends over to celebrate Christmas, and this is a great recipe because there's so many different flavour variations you can make with it. For both recipes, I'm going to use Countdown's own brand puff pastry. It's super convenient. For the savoury version, we are going to do a cream cheese base. We're going to mix it with some pesto, chopped up sun-dried tomatoes, and spread it on the pastry. Then we're going to fry up some bacon until it's nice and crispy and put that on top of the cream cheese. And for the sweet version, we are going to use Countdown's own brand choc hazelnut spread. We're going to top it with some sliced strawberries, sprinkle a little sugar over, and bake that until golden as well. This is the perfect recipe if you've got friends coming around because it's really fast, super easy, and it cooks really quickly as well. First of all, we are going to cut some rounds into the pastry so we know where to put our filling. So first of all, you cut around the small bowl. Don't go all the way through the pastry. So you take off that ramekin, and now we're going to cut it like a little pizza so that you can fold those pieces over the filling. And now we're going to place the big bowl over the top and then cut around the edges so we've got that beautiful wreath shape. We'll bake up these extra little pieces for the kids. I've added the softened cream cheese to a bowl. I've chopped up some sun-dried tomatoes and I've got some pesto, so I'm just going to mix those all together till it's nice and smooth. It takes quite a lot of elbow grease to get it all mixed together. Now we're going to fry up the bacon till it's nice and crispy, and then we're going to add this onto the pastry and add that crispy bacon and some fresh rosemary on top. I like to do two of these at once, so there's lots for the girls when we're having our little festivities. So now I've got all my ingredients on and I am going to fold in the pastry so it's ready for that egg wash and then baking. So you start folding up the edges and then you just pull one of those middle pieces over to meet it like this. And then you go all the way around until they're all joined up. Wow, that looks super cute and really festive. So we're gonna give it an egg wash and then we'll put it in the oven. Now we're doing the sweet version, and there's so many different variations you can do with this. The beauty of it is I've only used 3 ingredients, but you could swap the strawberries for bananas, or you could also use custard or caramel, but today I'm going to use the choc hazelnut spread. One of my favourite things about summer and Christmas is that strawberries are in season, so they're perfect in this dish. Now we're going to add that choc hazelnut spread. Spread it all the way, but not quite to the edges. Once you're finished spreading the hazelnut spread, then add the strawberries on top. Now we're going to start folding up the sides. Now it's time for the egg wash and a little sprinkle of sugar. Now it's time to pop this in the oven and bake it until it's golden and cooked through. Wow, these smell amazing and they look so good. My guests are going to love them. So here are my delicious pastry wreaths. They look amazing and they cooked perfectly, which I'm so happy about. They've got a nice rustic look to them. The full recipe for these are on the Countdown website, as well as many more other festive favourites. And I hope you are going to enjoy making this in your home. Happy holidays.